Good afternoon, students. In our last class, we were solving the exercise number 2.3, and in that we have solved the question number 8, that is find the missing digits in the following. Okay, in that there were 4 problems. We have solved all of them, and today we will solve the question number B, that is simplify. In this we are having totally 6 problems. Okay, so these kind of problems we have also solved before starting this exercise number 2.3. okay, so before the number stories, in the page number 51, okay, in the page number 51 we were having some 2 example simplification problems. We have solved this one before the FA3 test. Okay, so those kind of problems we are having in the question number B, simplify. Okay, so now let us solve them one by one. I have already written the question here. Okay, so this question means this problem is containing both plus and minus symbol. Okay, in this we have to do both addition and subtraction. Okay, so this kind of problems we need to solve step by step. Okay, first of all, here what we need to do, we need to add these first number and second number. Okay, after adding these two numbers, whatever the sum we will get, from that sum you should subtract this number. Okay, so this is the step. For the first step, in the first step what we will do, we will add these two numbers. Okay, after adding these two numbers, whatever the sum we will get, that we will, from that we will subtract this one. Okay, the subtraction of this number from the sum of these two numbers is the step 2. Okay, so whatever the result you will get after subtraction of this number from the sum of these two is the final result. Okay, got it? Now let us solve that one. Okay, so here we are having 65,23,478, and here we are having 5,36,54,879, and here it is 5,72,48,254. Okay, now this number is bigger than this because it is 5 crore, but here we are having 65 lakh. Then I will write this number first. Okay, you can write this one first, but for more easy for the calculation, I will write this one first. Okay, 53654879. Okay, below that I will write this one 87432256. Now add these two numbers. Okay, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 becomes, see here, 8 plus 8 is 16, but 9 is 1 greater than 8. Then 8 plus 8 is 16, means to 16 if I add 1, then it becomes 17. No? So write here 7, take 1 as a carry. Now 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, I will write here 5, take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 becomes how much? It becomes 13. Write here 3, take 1 as a carry. Now see here, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is, 5 plus 3 becomes how much? It becomes 8. Okay, now 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 5 becomes, see here, 5 plus 5 is 10, but 6 is 1 greater than 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. To 10 if I add 1 extra, because we are having 6 here, then I will get 11. Write 1, take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 becomes 10. I will write 0, take 1 as a carry. Now see here, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, so this is the sum of these two numbers. Okay, from this sum, now I should subtract this number. Okay, so this comes under first step, the addition of these two numbers, and we have got the sum. Now from this sum, I will subtract this number. Now I will do that one this side. Okay, write this one, this number as it is 60178 357. Okay, from this I will subtract this number, means 4, 5, 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 7 minus 4 is what? It is 3 only. Now 1 minus 2 is not possible because 1 is smaller than 2. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 0, but this is 0. So for that I will take 1 borrow from this 6. Now this 0 becomes 10. Okay. And now after taking 1, here we left with 5. Okay. After taking 1 borrow to this one becomes 11. Okay. Now as this 10 given 1 borrow to this one, here we left with 9. Okay. 11 minus 2 is 9 it is. Okay. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. So this is the final result. Okay. This is the final result of this problem. Okay. It is 29,30,103 is the final result. Okay, don't call this one as the final result. It is only the result which we have got after addition of these two numbers. Okay, so this is the number which we have got after addition of these two numbers and after subtraction of this one from the sum of this. So this is considered as the final result. Okay, so now take down in your classwork. Now we will move to the question number 2. Okay. The question number 2 is what? I will write here. 4, 5, 2, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1 minus 288, 581 minus 81451. Okay. Here in the previous problem, in the first problem, we were having 1 plus and 1 minus. But here, in the first problem we were having 2 plus and 1 minus. Okay. But here we are having 2 minus. This one is 1, 2. 2 minus and here nothing is there means it will be plus only. Now how will you solve this kind of problem? First of all, what I will do is I will minus I will take one side and I will add these. Okay. Because they are in minus, see here 288, 581 from this. Okay, minus if you add 81451. So this is also minus, this is also minus. No. So now minus addition will be there. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 8 plus 5 is 30. Take 1 carry. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write 0. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Write 0. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Write 7. Take 1 as a carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. So after adding minus, okay, the result we have got no. So if plus and minus are there, then if the symbols are opposite, here we are having plus, here we are having minus, then it is possible to subtract from one from another. But here both are minus means we need to add. But lastly the symbol will be minus only. And one more case, if both are plus means you need to add those two numbers and lastly the symbol will be plus only. Okay. So here these two numbers are minus. We have added the numbers and we have kept the result with minus symbol. Okay, now we have got no. So this is the result after adding these two numbers. Now it is minus, so this is plus. So I will subtract this number from this first number. Okay, so this is the first step. Now in the next step, what I will do? I will subtract this number from this. Okay, see here, 4, 5, 2, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1. From this I will subtract this. So write this number below this. See here, 2, 3, 0 0 7 3. So this is plus, this is minus, means here we are having opposite symbol, plus minus, then we need to subtract. Okay, so here it is 1 minus 2 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 8. Now 11 minus, it becomes 11. Okay, here we left with 7. 11 minus 2 is, it is 9. Okay, now 7 minus 3 is 4. Now 5 minus 0 is 5 only. 1 minus 0 is 1 only. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 3 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 5. Now this 2 becomes 12. Here we left with 4. Okay, 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay, write 4 as it is. So here also 4 as it is. Okay, so we have here 4,49,11,549. So this one is your final result. Okay, yes, so take down that problem in your class work. Okay, so all of you completed? Yes. Now we will move to the problem number 3. So for in the first and second problem we were having 3 numbers only, but in the problem number 3 we are having totally 4 numbers. Okay, I will write here 5 6 3 2 8 7 4 7 minus 4 6 3 5 4 6 8 7. Once again minus 2 3 5 4 3 6 8 9 plus 3 2 8 7 6 5 4 8. Okay, so now in this problem we are having the numbers with plus symbol. How many numbers are there with plus symbol? This is the one and this one is the second. We are having the 2 numbers with plus symbol and 2 numbers with minus symbol. Okay, now make the number with the same symbol one side. Okay, so here it is plus, no, so this one is also plus. Now write these 2 numbers with the plus symbol one side, and in the next step will write the numbers with minus symbol on another side. Okay, I will write here 5 6 3 2 8 7 4 7 plus I will write that number 3 2 8 7 6 5 4 8. Okay, now write these 2 numbers which are having the minus symbol on one side. Okay, you can see here 4 6 3 5 4 6 8 7 minus this one 2 3 5 4 3 6 8 9. Okay, now in the next step what we will do, we will add these 2 numbers which are having the plus symbol. I will add, and in the next step I will add these 2 numbers which are with the minus symbol. Okay, so after adding these 2 numbers, whatever the sum I will get, that sum will be having plus symbol. Okay, because the addeds which are there here are with plus symbol. So here also after adding these 2 numbers, whatever the result I will get, that result will be having minus symbol. Okay, because whatever we are adding the 2 numbers, they are having the minus symbol. Okay, now in the first step, let us add these 2 numbers. Okay, I will write in the column form 5 6 3 2 8 7 4 7 from this 3 2 8 7 6 5 4 8. Okay, now let us add. 7 plus 7 is 14, but 8 is 1 more than 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 means it is 15. Write 5, take 1 as a carry. Now 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. Okay, 7 plus 5 is 12. Right, 2. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 becomes 15. I will write here 5. Take 1 as a carry. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Write 0. Take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is, it becomes 12. Write 2. Take 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 becomes 9. Okay. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is the result. It is having the plus symbol. Now we have added these two numbers which are having the plus symbol. Now in the next case, what you will do? You will add these two numbers with the minus symbol. Okay. So I will write here 4, 6, 3, 5, 4, 6, 8, 7. Okay. Now 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 6, 8, 9. Right here minus symbol. So this is also having minus symbol. Now these two are having minus symbol, but we need to add those two, and lastly we need to keep the minus symbol before the answer. Okay. So here 9 plus 7 becomes 16. Okay, right here 6. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Write 7. Take 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Right here 3. Take 1 as a carry. Now here 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. Right? 8. Okay. 5 plus 4 is, how much it is? It is 9. Okay. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. Right? Minus symbol. Okay. So it is having plus symbol, it is having minus symbol. Okay. Now from this number I will subtract this one. Okay. So we have got this sum after adding the two numbers with plus symbol, and we have got this sum by adding the two numbers which are having the minus symbol. Okay. Now lastly we can write like this. Okay. 8, 9, 2, 0, 5, 2, 9, 5 minus. So this is the question. After doing this calculation, you please write like this. 6, 9. Okay. 6, 9, 8, 9, 8, 3, 7, 6. Okay. From this number, if you subtract this one, what you will get? That will be your final result. Okay. I will subtract. So, how I am writing the steps, you please write down in the same way. Okay. Now, it is plus, it is minus, plus. These are opposite. It is plus, it is minus, means from this number you need to subtract this one. Okay. Now, let us subtract. Okay. 5 minus 6 is not possible. For that, I will take 1 borrow. Now, this 5 becomes 15. And this 9 becomes 8. Okay, 15 minus 6 becomes how much? 15 minus 6 becomes 9, and 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus 3 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow. Now this 2 becomes 12. Here we have with 4. 12 minus 3 is how much? It is 9. Now 4 minus 8 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow. Here we are having 0. Okay, so for that I will take 1 borrow from this 2. Now this 2 becomes 1. Here this 0 becomes 10. Now we are taking 1 borrow from this 10. Now this 4 becomes 14. Here we left with 9. Okay. From 14, if you subtract 8, what you will get? You will get 6. Okay. See here, 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 8 is not possible. I will take 1 borrow from this 9. Now this 1 becomes 11. Here we left with 8. 11 minus 8 is how much it is? It is 3. Okay, 8 minus 9 is also not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 8. Now this 8 becomes 18. Here we left with 7. 18 minus 9 is 9 only. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay. Okay, so as we are subtracting the small number, so this is what it is? It is 6 crore 98 lakhs 98,376, but whereas this one is 8 lakh 92,000 8 crore 92 lakh 5,295. So this number is bigger and this one is smaller. So lastly, after subtracting any number, so here we are having plus and minus symbol. No? So we are doing the subtraction. So after subtraction, which number is bigger from these two? Okay, from these two, which number is bigger means, so this number first, this one is bigger. So to the answer, you need to write that symbol. Okay, so this one is smaller. Okay, if it is bigger, then you would have kept this symbol, minus symbol here. But in case of the subtraction of this number from this is the bigger. Okay, so that's why in front of the result we have kept the plus symbol. Yes, got it. Now take down. So this is your final result. Okay. So write 9 below this 3. Yes. Now let us move to the problem number 4. Six three two eight 747 minus 54 687 minus 689 plus 3287654. Okay. So in this problem also we are having two plus symbols, the numbers with two numbers with the plus symbol. This one is and this one is the second one. And the two numbers, these two numbers are having the minus symbol. Okay, so it is same as the previous problem only. In the first step, what we will do, we will write the numbers with the plus symbol on one side and the numbers with the minus symbol on another side. Okay, so now I will write this number and the last number one side because this first number and the last number are having the plus symbol. Okay, see here 6328747 plus 3287654. Okay, now write these two numbers which are with my minus symbol on another side. 687 minus 689. Okay, see here. Now in the next step I will add these two numbers. Okay, see here 6328747 and 3287654. Now add these two. 7 plus 4 is 11. Write 1. Take 1 as a carry. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0. Take 1 as a carry. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 becomes 14. Write 4. Take 1 as a carry. Now see here 8. Okay. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 becomes how much? 9 plus 7 becomes 16. Write 6. Take 1 as a carry. Now 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 8 is? Yes, 3 plus 8 is how much? 3 plus 8 is 11. Write 1. Take 1 as a carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Now 6 plus 3 is 9. Yes. So this is the result we have got after adding the two numbers which are with the plus symbol. Now let us add the two numbers which are with the minus symbol. Okay. So see here. I will write here 54687 to this. I will add 689. So both these are having the negative symbol. So 9 plus 7 becomes how much? It becomes 16. Write 6. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Write 7. Take 1 as a carry. In the same way, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write 3. Take 1 as a carry. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, write 5 as it is. So here it is minus symbol. Now in the next step, what I will do? I will write like this. So it is the same as the previous problem only. Okay. So like this I will write. But you can see here, this one is 55,376, but it is 96,16,401. This one is bigger. Okay. From this number, now I will subtract this 55,376. Now see here, 9616401. From this, what I will do? I will subtract 55,376. Okay. 1 minus 6 is not possible. Now if I take 1 borrow, but here it is 0, I will take 1 borrow from this 4. Now this 0 becomes 10, here we left with 3. Okay, now from this 10 I need to take 1 borrow. If I take 1 borrow from this 10, now this 10 becomes 9, here we have 11. Okay, 11 minus 6 is 5. Now 9 minus 7 is 2, 3 minus 3 is 0 only, 6 minus 5 becomes 1. Okay, now here also 1 minus 5 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow from this 6. Now this one becomes 11. Here we left with 5. Okay, 11 minus 5 is nothing but 6. Now write 5 as it is and 9 as it is. Okay. So this is the result. So I will write plus symbol here because the number which is the greater number is having which symbol? The greater number is this one and it is having plus symbol. So that's why here also I have written the plus symbol. Okay. Yes, take down this one. Now we will solve the problem number 5. Six, 7, 3, 1, 4, 5, 78 minus 3, 8, 6, 2, 5, 4, 9, 8 plus 3, 8, 7, 2, 3, 6, 9, 0, 7. It is 6 minus 1, 8, 7, 3, 5, 9, 8, 7. Okay. So this is the problem which is having the 4 numbers and the 2 numbers are with plus symbol and the another 2 numbers are with the minus symbol. So this is same as the previous problem, means the third and fourth problem, it is same as that one. But here, what is the difference? Here, in the previous problem, in between the numbers are having minus symbol, but here alternatively we are having. In the first number is plus, next is minus, and next is plus, and next is minus. Like this we are having. But in the previous problem we were having plus, minus, minus, and next plus. Okay. So but here it is alternative. Alternative means first plus, next minus, next plus, next minus, and next plus, next minus, next plus, next minus. Like this. Okay. Now for this what I will do? I will write the numbers having the plus symbol one side and the numbers having the minus symbol on another side. Okay. So see here, now first of all I will write the numbers with plus symbol one side. So this number is having plus symbol, I will write it. Next. Okay, now write the numbers with minus symbol. So I will write this number 382549 minus 18735987. Okay. In the exam, you people should do all these steps. Okay. Don't directly put the answers as all you people have written directly the result only in the FA3 test. Okay. If you do like that, the marks will not be allotted for you. Okay. So you should, in the math, the steps are very important. Okay. So please solve all the problems stepwise. Okay. So now I will add these two numbers. Okay. See here. 6, 7, 3, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 3, 8, 7, 2. I will write clearly. 3872 36 1 2. Okay, so this number is big one. Yes, so I will write that one first. 387236 907 and 673145. It is not like that. Always I have told you, you need to write the numbers while writing in the columns from the right hand side to left. Okay. 5, 4, 1, 3, 7, 6. Now add these two. Now 7 plus 7 is 14. So this 8 is 1 greater than 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Write 5. Take 1 as a carry. Now 7 plus 1 is 8. Now 9 plus 5 is how much? It is 14. Write 4. Take 1 as a carry. Now 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 4 becomes 11. Write 1. Take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 7 becomes 14. Write 4. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is how much? It is 15. Write 5. Take 1 as a carry. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. So it is having the plus symbol. Now let us add these two numbers. Okay. See here. So this is having 8 digits, it is having the 7 digits, so that I will write this first. Okay. 187 35987 8 9 4 5 2 8 3. Okay. Now 7 plus 8 is how much? 15. Write 5. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Write 8. Take 1 as a carry. Okay. Now 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Write 4. Take 1 as a carry. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Write 1. Take 1 as a carry. Okay. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. But 8 is 1 greater than 7. Then 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 is 15. Write 5. Take 1 as a carry. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is how much? It is 12. Write 2. Take 1 as a carry and 2. Okay. So here write the minus symbol. Okay. Now I will write like this: 4 5 4 5 5 1 485 minus write this number 2 2 5 6 1 4 8 5. Okay, now I will subtract this number from this. See here, 4 5 4 5 5 1 4 8 5. Okay, now let us subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now 5 minus 6 is not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow. Now this 5 becomes 15. Here we have with 4. 15 minus 6 is how much? It is 9. Now 4 minus 5 is also not possible. For that I will take 1 borrow. Now this 4 becomes 14. Here we have with 3. 14 minus 5. How much it becomes? It becomes 9. Okay, now 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Write 4 as it is. The symbol will be plus. Okay, because the bigger number is having the plus symbol. So in the answer also I will write the symbol of the big number. Okay, so it is how much? 43 crore 19 lakh 90,000. Okay, so this is your final result. So like this, up to step by step like this you should do in the tests and exams. Okay, don't directly write this much only. Okay, if you write like this, your marks will be cut. Okay, I will cut your marks. Okay, so this is about the problem number 5. I will give you the problem number 6 as the homework. Okay, you please write the problem number 6 in your note, and if you will get the answer, it is good, and if you are not getting the answer, you can ask me how to solve that one. Okay, I will tell you. Homework, take out problem number 6. I will write the problem here. 8, 6, 3, 2, 8, 7 plus 4, 6, 6, 8, 7 minus 2, 3, 5, 9 minus 8, 76. Okay. So in the problem also, there is nothing with to do. They have already given the numbers with plus symbol one side and the number with minus symbol another side. Now you should add these two numbers and also add these two numbers separately. From the sum of these two numbers, you need to subtract the sum of these two numbers, and whatever the result you will get, that will be your final result. Okay. So you please try this problem in your home and send me. Okay. So this is the completion of your exercise number 2.3 and also the completion of your chapter number 2. Okay. The addition and subtraction of large numbers is completed today. In our next class, we will start the chapter number 3, that is multiplication and division of large numbers. Okay. Thank you.